Alright, for this video we're going to learn how to factor simple trinomials. And when I say simple, I mean that the a term as the leading coefficient is 1. In these cases, all you have to do is come up with a factor list of the last term and see if it adds up to the middle term. So for this, we're going to take 35, and the factor pairs of 35 are 1 and 35, which combine to 36, which doesn't do us much good. 2 is not a factor, 3 is not a factor, 4 is not a factor, 5 is a factor, and its other factor is 7. Now 5 plus 7 is 12. So that means this is the correct sequence. So we can now break it down into x plus 5, preserving the same signs here. If these were negatives, we would have x minus, and x plus 7. To double check our work, try foiling this out. X times x will give us x squared. X times 7 will give us 7x. 5 times x will give us 5x. 7x and 5x is 12x. Then 5 times 7 is 35. So we know that we got the right factorization. Now consider the second trinomial, negative 12. Be very careful when it comes to negatives. It could be negative 1 and 12. That will give us 11, or negative 11 if we switch the signs. That doesn't do us good. Negative 2 and 6. Well, negative 2 and 6 might seem like a promising lead because 2 and 6 are 8. So maybe negative 2 and negative 6 are 8. Negative 8. But that wouldn't give us the proper product of negative 12. So we need to keep looking. Negative 3 and 4. Well, those add up to 1, or if you switch the signs, negative 1. So that doesn't work. And we've exhausted the factor tree. I can keep going switching the negatives, but we've already considered that. So therefore, we have to think that this is prime. That is, there is no way for us to properly factor that into something like this.